Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix iPhone screen zoom in stuck. So guys, if your iPhone screen is stuck on zoom mode, so guys, how can you fix this problem? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, we have to just simply tap on screen with the three fingers. So guys, double tap on with three fingers on the screen and your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your zoom mode screen problem. And the second solution is guys, you have to just simply open settings and locate for accessibility. You can see here, tap on it. Now from here guys, you can see here zoom, tap on it, and please make sure that the zoom toggle will be turned off. If it is turned on, then simply turn it off and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.